For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these two little crowns, and they were about $1 each. It kind of depends on what supplies you already have on hand. First, I'm going to show you how to make this one with the little leafy spires. Starting at the Dollar Tree, you're going to look for these rolls of metal trim that are near like the vases and the fake flowers and all that. And you got to be careful. They can be really rusty, so I kind of had to sort through the box that was there, and they can be very sharp. So you're going to be careful, and we're going to take care of that. You're also going to want some tools. I just have a bunch of jewelry supplies from making jewelry. And you're also going to want a little bit of like jewelry wire. So I measured around my head, cut it where it needed to be, and then just kind of stitched them together. I made sure that none of the raw edges of that trim that becomes the crown, that can catch on anything, cut anything. And then to protect it from rusting in the future, and also to protect me, I have allergies, and also I don't know if this kind of metal would, turn my skin green or something. And to protect against the sharpness, I used some of this clear glaze, made sure to spray it good from all the different angles. And then we're going to show you this one. Different technique, a little trickier in some ways, a little more time consuming. You can see here again, I measured around my head, cut it, and then tied it together. There are probably ways you can cover those up. I don't really care. I just stick them in the back so no one's looking at it when they're looking at my face. But you can see here, I do have some fabric behind it. And part of it is because I did use this glaze, and it will help preserve it and protect it. But all those little scrolling designs were still really prickly on the inside, and I did not want to cut my forehead. So what I ended up doing was stitching on that fabric on the inside, which feels very nice. It's just some like velvety material, just tiny sliver of scraps that I had from buying this at Walmart. And I kind of roll or fold it under, use a needle and thread, and stitched it. And you really can't see the stitching. I stitched it on the top and bottom and also on the inside. And if you look here, like I have to search for the stitches because it just blends in really well, like that little guy right there. And it's pretty easy peasy from there. So they're the two little designs that I made. They are nice and lightweight and also flexible, which helps it shape around your head, but that does mean you have to be careful. These can get easily smashed and bent out of shape. So store them somewhere careful, treat them a little gingerly maybe. And I don't know, let me know which is your favorite out of these two. I think they're both super cute. This is me just trying it on with my horrible lighting and all that. Again, in the comments, let me know which is your favorite. Is this a craft you can see yourself doing? And thank you so much for following, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. I'm trying to get my monetization back because I've been not posting much here, but I'm working on that.